que le Cameroun devra obtenir sa qualification pour ce CHAN 2018 au Kenya. Bien, un match qui sera dirigé par le Togolais Talekoku Onyatoka. Et c'est parti pour ce match entre le Cameroun et Sao Tomé et Principe. Ce long ballon adressé à Biton Clarence.
Yellow t-shirt, yellow stockings in Cameroon are in their usual green, red, yellow. At this moment with Amel Ngonji, shirt number 9 for Sao Tome and Principe. But it went right out. That was Ronaldo Lumungo. Especially for teams that play in the local league. So there is no player from out of Cameroon here or from out of Sao Tome and Principe. That was going to be a very, very interesting one. The header that came in and then the clash that comes in from
Sibouli, qui est obligé de partir du front de l'attaque pour venir chercher ses ballons et qui trouve Armel Gondi, le centre de Armel qui n'aboutit pas. On va compter sur lui, Armel Gondi. Il entend enchaîner avec une deuxième victoire ici au stade Omnisport de Limbe. Est-ce que ce premier but tant attendu sera marqué, Benin?
I was just telling you that shirt number 9, that is David Eto'o, his little brother to Samuel Eto'o. Will he follow the ways of his brother?
La tête! Oh là! Messi Bouli, il n'a pas cadré. Heureusement pour Sao Tomé, elle n'a pas été sanctionnée par un but et le Cameroun qui va repartir avec Armel Gondi sur son côté droit.
Successful crossings and he gets it just right into the point where they can score the goal. And 2 goals were scored that day. He scored 1 and they want to reduce tally for them. Amen Gondi who has come over this side. TNT Alphonse plays again with Amen Gondi and that is quite successful. He takes a crossing. Misses the header of Pangop. And bring his contribution to the Intermediate Lions in this expedition.
Le coup franc, David Eto'o, il ne cadre pas.
Goes far above the woodwork. David Eto'o would have to.
Armel Gondi.
That's a beautiful one.
Sibouli.
Follow the action.
Clarence Biton qui va convoiter ce ballon. Il a le centre. Clarence Biton qui ne parvient pas à centrer. Il récupère ce ballon, le centre. Et c'est un ballon récupéré, capté par Aladi.
During training, come out with new formulas to bring out the victory. Here we go. Cameroon, break it right in. Could that be the goal?
Gondi! La reprise Benin. Bien parti, mais il n'a pas pu cadrer. Opportunité de but. Oscar Gouault devra être vigilant. Frappe non cadrée. Est-ce qu'il va la jouer? Est-ce qu'il va jouer direct? Indirect, il cherche la tête de Makiadé. Tête non cadrée. Une sélection. Et c'est un ballon pour Clarence Biton. Clarence Biton. France Pangop de tir de Clarence Biton non cadré. France Pangop sur ce côté droit, il déboule le centre qui Messi Bouli, la reprise de la tête. Clarence Biton, le tir contré de Clarence Biton. Cette balle et c'est un corner pour le Cameroun. La pression continue.
There is just something that stops the last ball from getting through.
La tête!
There is just something that stops the last ball from getting through like this one. Look at that. Gets right in and the header comes.
Est-ce que ça... la bonne opportunité pour Armel Gondi. Armel Gondi, le tir! La détente de Aladir qui met son équipe à l'abri de l'ouverture du score ici au stade Omnisport de Limbe.
To get Pangop France, goal scorer in the away leg match. We see trying to break in and he succeeds with that one.
Ils se sont pas compris, Benin.
To be qualified. It is gone for the second half. Equatorial Guinea already qualified because Gabon withdrew.
Perdre David Eto'o qui trouve Bouli Messi qui va aller dans la surface de réparation, la frappe, le centre. Contré.
Hey, that was a serious one cleared out there by Aladji Kravit de Almeida, but it's not over. Fine clearance for South.
Oh! Quelle détente de Aladir. C'était bien tiré, Benin.
This is the second time.
Et Tabawak pour ce coup franc. L'ouverture du score. Et le Cameroun trouve le chemin du but. C'est Armel Gandhi. La petite Ferrari.
Look at that. Look at that. My God, we saw this in the Champions League match. Armel Gandhi came in and there was no time for break dancing in front of the goal post. He came right in, got the goal, and goes to Rigobert Sambahana, who himself is an icon, an example, a mentor, a big brother that everyone should follow, every soccer player with it. Great goal for Armel Gandhi, who was called in, we should say, at the last minute to join the team.
Sur une belle déviation de Junior Aono. Florence Bitan qui reprend ce ballon et trouve Tienche, le centre de Tienche. Messi Bouli la tête. Oh là!
Like it says in the good book, do not despise the days of small beginning.
Oh là, oh là. Mais qu'est-ce que ça s'anime ici au stade Omnisport de Limbé. Les juniors ont obtenu leur qualification ici pour Zambie 2017.
Beautiful cross in. This is sweet. This is nice soccer. Etabawa comes in. But it's not over. Look at that.
Junior Aono. Le centre. La tête. Le deuxième but du Cameroun. Deuxième but du Cameroun signé Messi Bouli.
Finally, he missed the goal and he's come back and he's got the goal. What a day. What a moment.
On va le revoir au ralenti. Il a été entreprenant durant cette partie.
Look at that.
Au fond de l'attaque camerounaise. Quel opportunisme. Messi Bouli.
My God.
Reprise de la tête imparable pour Aladir.
If the actions of the last.
Armel Gandhi, il va percuter, il va provoquer. Armel Gandhi, le centre, la frappe. La mauvaise passe. Et le Cameroun qui va se relancer. France Pangop. Raymond Fotso. La sortie de Aldaïr.
You've done a great job, boy. You've done a great job. I'm very convinced that Daddy is going to be happy with you. And we'll be happy to know that his name is the last name on your names on your birth certificate.
Et psychologiquement, mais il y a un effort de défense chez les Camerounais. Alors,
nice one!
Provoquer Tienche, Orgui, la frappe. Sans danger pour Oscar Kalati.
Why were they keeping on the 23 team played against France in the friendly in Créteil? He's a plus to his team at the Union de Mouvement Sportif of Loum. Look at this, it's a moment for a goal. Oh no, Fotso Raymond came right up. But follow this action. It could be another important action for Cameroon. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. We still got 30 minutes and things can change in 30 minutes.
Et ce n'est pas fini, Raymond Fotso. À l'attaque, à l'offensive.
Oh!
France Pang de cette victoire.
The question is, Wilfried, who is going to be man of the match in this encounter?